Hello everyone, welcome to Manza Foods. Today I'll be sharing a very simple and delicious pudding recipe. It's a simple, tasty and melt in mouth dessert. Let's see what all the ingredients we require for this recipe. 300 ml milk, half cup sugar plus 2 tablespoons of caramel, 4 bread slices, 2 number eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can make this recipe in 3 simple steps. In step 1, blend all the ingredients mentioned to a smooth mixture like you do for the milkshake. Step number 2 is making the caramel. Take a vessel you want to steam the pudding. Now add 2 tablespoons sugar plus 1.5 teaspoon of water. Switch on the stove. Keep the stove on a low flame. Now start stirring continuously. You can see that the sugar starts melting and getting a nice brown color. Now you can see that the sugar is getting a good golden brown color. Now we'll switch off the stove and start spreading the caramel to coat the vessel evenly so that we get a very nice and beautiful color on our pudding. You need to spread the caramel when it's hot. Once it starts settling down, we'll not be able to spread the caramel. Now we'll be adding the blended mixture to this, which is why you need to keep the mixture ready beforehand. Now I'll be adding the mixture to this. Now we'll start steaming the pudding. Today I am using cooker for the purpose. You can use your steamer or any big vessel or whatever available for you. I am placing a stand. Now I will be adding 3 cups of water. Now keep the pudding vessel and close the lid. And yes, if you are using the cooker, do not forget to remove the vessel. We don't need it for steaming. Now we'll be steaming this for good 25 to 30 minutes. Now our pudding is all cooked. You can see that the pudding is cooked very well. The water we have added also not dried out in the cooker. Now we'll be checking this pudding by inserting a clean knife or a toothpick. You can see that the knife has come out very clean. That means the pudding is done completely. You can serve this warm or cold. I'll be serving this cold today. That's why I'm refrigerating this for good 2 to 3 hours. Now we'll remove this pudding from the vessel onto the plate. Just run the knife around the edges. And you can just make the vessel upside down to demold the pudding very easily. Now our delicious pudding is ready. If you like this recipe, please like, share and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And please upload the images of your pudding on our Facebook page at Manza Foods.